Hey guys, I'm Soumyadeep again back to with a new tutorial video about fluid mechanics. So last video where I discussed about what is density. So today in this video I'm gonna show you what is the unit weight or weight density. So let's begin. So the thing is that if you're watching the last video, I showed you a concept about density. So those gonna not show you my that video, so there should be an I button. So make sure you click it and see what you did my last video. So there I showing you a cube where is the material. So again I draw that picture. So in this picture, in this cube, there should be lots of n number of molecule, and if their whole mass is m, and due to gravity, there is a downward force mg due to weight. So per unit volume, what is his weight? Sometime this is called unit density or specific weight. So this thing is denoted by gamma. Gamma equal to weight by volume. For this we can make a relation between density and weight density. So I'm gonna show you this relation. So basically weight density equal to weight per volume and rho equal to mass per volume. But we know that weight equal to m into g. If I divided by volume, then gamma equal to m by v into g. So gamma equal to rho into g. So that is the relations between gamma and rho g. So there for gamma there should be some standard value. So gamma equal to rho g. So in SI unit, gamma equal to 1000. So now I'm gonna show you what again the relation. Now I'm gonna show you what is the effect of if temperature change or pressure change. As gamma proportional to rho, so rho proportional to pressure, that is mean gamma proportional to pressure and rho proportional to 1 by temperature. So you can say gamma proportional to 1 by temperature. So that is the relation, that is the effect of temperature and pressure on specific weight or weight density. So hopefully आपने ये वीडियो अंत तक देख लिया. अगर आपके पास है कोई डाउट तो नीचे कमेंट कर दीजिए बिना सोच के, और अगर ये है लगा आपको अच्छा तो कर दीजिए शेयर अपने ग्रुप में, बिकॉज इट्स फ्री. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो और आगे वीडियो देखना को डिज़ायर है तो कर दीजिए ये चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, और नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए लाल जो बटन है उसको प्लीज़ प्रेस कीजिए. सो चलिए गुड बाय, फिर मिलेंगे कोई एक नया दूसरे वीडियो के साथ फ्लूइड रिलेटेड. बाय.